Morning, 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 your life, your life, your life. Morning, it's a beautiful day. Good morning, good morning, your life, your life, your life, your life, your life. Send to all the groups, share with your friends, and tell them that we are live with ProFx. Live with ProFx. Your life, your life, your life. Good morning, good morning. Today is a great day already. This week was good. Thank God for life. Thank God for grace. Thank God for wisdom. Grateful to God I learned how to trade. I am grateful I learned how to trade. I'm grateful I learned how to trade. I want to see um just this. Oh, I'm grateful I learned how to trade. I'm grateful I learned who is grateful to be a trader. If you're grateful to be a trader, even if you're just learning how to trade, right? I am grateful I learned how to trade. I'm typing out the chat box. I want you to also type that too. I'm grateful. I'm grateful. I'm grateful. I'm grateful I learned how to trade. How to trade. I'm grateful I learned how to trade. Yeah. Every time I wake up, I'm grateful. I'm grateful. Trading is a skill set that will change your life forever. I'm not joking. Trading, let's share to this group that we are alive, 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 alive. Okay, I want to see more number of us before I start. I want to see more number of us before I start. We're live. Kratos, is that Abraham? Kratos official. Is that Abraham? Kratos, is that Abraham? Is that you? Yeah, we're live. I'm grateful I learned how to trade. I'm grateful I learned how to trade. Yeah, good morning, billionaires. Good morning, billionaires. I'm grateful I learned how to trade. Okay, I know. I mean the name that has Kratos official. Yeah, I have a student that is also Ben Abraham. Good morning. Good morning. So we are typing on the chat box. I am grateful I learned how to trade. I am grateful I learned how to trade. Let's show some gratitude this morning. I am grateful I learned how to trade. Trading is a skill set that will change your life forever. Forever. It's a transgenerational wealth. Trading is transgenerational. Trading is transgenerational. I'm grateful I learned how to trade. Just give yourself 6 months. Hmm? Give yourself 6 months with me. Just 6 months. You change stories. I'm telling you. Okay, yeah, it's Abraham. Okay. Okay. I thought as much. I thought as much. The name sounds, yeah. 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 6 months. 6 months. Even 3 months safe. But let's just say for to accommodate those that are maybe that cannot learn fast, 6 months. I want to have more people on the call before I start. So let's just give 2 minutes more, 2 minutes more, 2 minutes more. I'm grateful I learned how to trade. It's a skill. Why I love trading also. It's a skill set that you can just wake up any time of the day, morning, afternoon, night, and choose to trade and make money off the market. You don't need clients. You don't need office. You don't need so name it. Name it. You just need your internet, your device, you are in the market. Just you are in the market. You can be in your house for days, for weeks, for months, and you're printing out dollars. You're making money from the market because you have the knowledge already. You have the skill. You have the skill. I'm grateful I learned how to trade. So take this trading very seriously. So before others join in, I want us to treat trading as three ways. Okay, you treat trading as three ways. One, treat trading as a skill. Treat trading as a skill. Two, treat trading as a business. Then three is optional as a career. So I treat trading as a skill, a business, and a career. So two are optional. Okay, two are optional. The skill is optional, and the career is optional. That means you don't need to learn how to trade. You don't need to learn the skill set. You can just do business with it with forex trading, maybe like partnership or copy trading. That means you're not learning the skill yourself. So, but as a business, it's very compulsory. You must treat trading as a business, right? Because there is cost of business, right? So any loss you make in trading is cost of business. It's not loss, it's just costs, right? It's a cost of doing business. So you must treat trading as business, okay? As a business. So how does businessman think? You bring in the mindset of a business person into trading, right? Then a skill is optional, but you can choose to learn how to trade yourself or not to trade. Then lastly, as a career path, that means you are now going into professional trading, trading for banks, trading for investors, right? That's where I am right now. I'm building my career in forex trading. I'm building a portfolio as a fund manager, as a trading psychologist, as a coach and mentor. So I'm building a career path in forex trading, right? So for the next 5 years, 5 to 10 years, I see myself, trading for banks, trading for institutions, all those high net worth personalities. That's career path. So these are the three ways you treat trading. Okay. So I want to write that in the chat box. Treat trading as treat trading as oh, can I edit this? Treat trading as one, business compulsorily. Two, as a skill. Three, as a career. So I want to know from us here, which of the optionals are you going for? Of course, you want to be a trader, right? That's the skill. Okay. Business is compulsory. You must treat it as a business. That's a must. So which of us wants to go into career path in trading? That means you see yourself becoming a professional trader when it comes to trading with funds, with hedge funds, with banks, going into the trading aspect to also teach people how to trade. That's career path now. We are not going into coaching business with trading. All right. So which of us wants to go into career path? It's not compulsory. Career is not compulsory. Skill is not compulsory. You can choose to just do business with forex trading and make money, good money. You get. But if you want to go into career path, let me see. Just in 2 minutes, I'll go to my chat now. Career path. Of course, I believe everyone here wants to learn a skill. That's why we are here. I'm not getting responses yet. So while is that is coming in, okay. So just a recap. Today is day four of 100 days traders productivity with ProFx. Right. Today is day 4, and sincerely, the first 4 days have been amazing. There's so much improvement in my strategy. This is why it's always good to do this often, right? For improvement, for refinement. Do you understand? So personally, I've gotten so many things I've learned, I've improved upon on my strategy, and I'll be sharing them with us maybe tomorrow, today, or maybe another time. Okay. So one of the things that I'm going to improve on is on my daily candles, right? So just this morning, I got a new insight on how to map my daily candle. So for bullish, right, instead of marking just the high and the close, normal, I will also mark the low and the close. So I am marking both high and close and low and close for both bullish and bearish, and I'll do a back test maybe next time. But I'm just giving an insight of how I've been able to improve and refine my edge. So instead of just marking just the high and close of the candlestick, I mark both high and close and low and close for both bullish and bearish. That's by the way, just telling you that. So when you have this kind of routines or this kind of journey, it helps you to what? To refine your strategy. And this week is a week of what? Goal setting, routine building, and what? Strategy development. Goal setting, routine building, and strategy development. So, and I said that in the first 20 days, every one of us here must have gotten a strategy that is working with. Everybody here must have gotten a strategy in the first 20 days, whether you have learned from me or you have learned from somewhere else. Do you understand? Next announcement is that we are all going to be having 100 days back testing, right? 100 days. Hey, my bestie is here. Gladness, I see you. 100 days back testing. 100 days or 100 trades, whichever you want to 100 day stroke trade back tests. Okay, that's the next announcement I'm sharing with us. Everybody on this call, once you have gotten your strategy, we are going into what is called 100 days or 100 trade back test. That means you go back in time to do 100 trades or the past 100 days to back test. What backtesting does for you is it builds confidence. All right. So there are two things that builds confidence to your strategy: your experience and your backtesting. All right. This is my sixth year in industry in the forex, so I've gotten enough experience to get confidence in my strategy. I've also done enough backtesting. So if you want to get confidence in your strategy, you need to have experience day by day. Then you need to backtest. Sometimes your backtesting can buy experience. Backtesting can buy experience. So you should not use 3 years, 4 years in forex to get confidence. If you can be disciplined to backtest 100 days of your trades, you buy the experience of a 3-year trader. Who get what I just said now? If you can backtest 100 days or 100 trades, you buy the experience of a 3-year-old trader. You can backtest for 100 days, for the past 100 trades, you can buy that experience. So that's the next task for us. Every single person on this call, once you have learned your strategy, once you have gotten the edge, the method, either from me or from anywhere, the next thing for you is 100 days, 100 trades backtest. Everyone type that on the chat box when we are following. Type 100 days stroke 100 days, 100 trades backtest. Everybody type that on chat box. 100 days, 100 trades backtests. 100 days, 100 trades backtests. Everybody. 100 days, 100 trades. 100 days, 100 trades. This is a journey, guys. We are not playing here. I want to see our comments. I want to see our comments in chat box. Yeah. 100 days, 100 trades back test. 100 days, 100 trades back test. I'm not seeing our comments yet. Today's NFP. I won't be available in the afternoon. I'm going to Ekpe for land banking projects for my mentor. Right. This Wealthgate community. These are our real estate portfolio. Right. So I'll be in Ekpe this morning for some site inspection for my mentor on real estate. Yeah, so I'll be on my phone for NFP, but I will not be on live. The plan was to come. The plan was to do online and live NFP session, but that might not work. 100 days, 100 trades back test. 100 days, 100 days back test. Yeah. So let's go. Let's go to the charts. Okay. Now, just a review. So what I will also be improving upon is my Asian range. I said I have two edge for knowing what the day will do. Okay, I have two edge for knowing what the day will do. One edge is Asian session range. That's one. Then two, my previous daily candle. All right. So I have two edge for knowing what the day will do. Those I want to learn my strategy. I'm exposing myself now to you. And this is what you now do for the past 100 days. This is what you do for the past 100 days, 100 trades. You're going to be mapping out your Asian range, right? And your previous daily candle to know what the day did. So look at Wednesday now. See. So I want to backtest Wednesday and what Thursday. Today is Friday, right? I want to give an example how to backtest. This is Wednesday, this is Thursday. So I come to Wednesday, I map my Asian high, Asian low. All right. And look at what it did. It took out Asian high as liquidity and gave us a bearish structure to sell. So if you have watched Asian section video very well, we have two types of Asian range. We have the the trending and the consolidation. Okay, so if we want to have a sell day when it comes to Asian section now, if you have watched the video, you understand what I'm trying to say. If you want to have a sell day, Asian high will be taken as liquidity, right, into supplies and we sell. For a sell day, Asian high will be taken out. So look at what happened on Wednesday. That's what happened. Asian high was taken into supply. If you notice, we said on that day that we have a structure here, lower high and lower low, right? That's the direction. So remember, Asian range is just a location. Asian range is just a location. We need to know what direction for that's DLC. So we saw that we had a lower high and lower low. That was the previous day. Okay. Lower high and what? Lower low. Right? Lower high and lower low. Very simple, guys. Very simple. This is direction, right? DLC. Now, where's my location? Asian range is a location. Also, I can do my Fibonacci from swing high to swing low to this swing low. So I will extend to the next day. Look at what happened. It tapped into 71, 79%. Let me zoom this in very well. So you can see very, very clearly that we had internal structure into what? Into 71, 79, and what we sold. So two confirmation for location. Fibonacci retracement is my location. Asian range is my. I've never done previous the candle. I've not done previous the candle. So but I have two confluence already for my location for a sell. The first one is the Asian range, right? It took out Asian high into supply at the left. And second confluence is what? Fibonacci retracement. Like I said, I need only 2 to 3 confluence. I'm not sharing my screen. Hey, Jesus. I'm sorry. Ah, Yeah, yeah, yeah. When I saw Ebun's call, I know something is wrong. I'm so sorry. Oh my God. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wow. Okay, okay. So, okay. So I will come again. It's no problem. Okay. So, you can see my screen, right? Can you see my screen now? Can you see my screen now? Can you see my screen now? Yeah, I'm sure. I'm sure my screen is showing now. Okay. Yeah. Great. Great. I'm so sorry. Like, I'm so sorry. I was just carried away. Okay. Great. So I have to start. Okay. Let me come back from. Let me take off all this. So I was saying that. Let me take off all this. So this is where I started from. I was saying that. So one of my improvement also is what mastering my Asian section range. So we have two edge to know what the day we do, right? What are our two edges? Asian session range and previous daily candle. Asian session range and previous daily candle. If you read the number one, is it number one? Yes, number one of our routine is what under pre-market preparation is start by visiting your long-term trading objective. One of them is what mastering a specific strategy. In number one of morning pre-market prep, one of the objective is what to master a specific strategy. So what I'm mastering personally is I'm mastering how every Asian section range declares the daily bias. I am mastering how my previous day candle declares the daily bias. So every time on the chart, I go back to back test. How has Asian range been declaring daily bias? How has previous day candle been declaring? So that's what I say. When I say 100 days back testing, you have gotten your strategy, you have gotten your method. The next thing is now go and back test to build confidence. Very important. So I'm going to back test for us now, Wednesday and Thursday, how Asian section played out. And I said we can have at least two locations. Okay. So we can have Fibonacci retracement as a location. We can have Asian range as location. We can have previous candle as what location. Now, so this is my Wednesday, but I need to know the direction before Wednesday, right? And direction is saying lower high, lower low. Before Wednesday, direction is saying lower high, lower low. Now on Wednesday, I now have my location as Asian range. And if you watch Asian range video very well, we have two types of Asian range. We have the trending range and consolidation. Let me even ask you, if you have watched Asian video, let me see a show of hands. If you have watched the newbies, if you have watched Asian session video, a show of hands. If you have watched Asian session video for the newbies, I want to know those that because it's please I need a fast response so I can continue. We don't have much time. I have watched, I have not watched. That's what I want to say. I have watched. Okay, good. Sorry, I've watched. Who else have watched? Abraham, I know you are new. Abraham, the Ebo Abraham. Have you watched Asian Section Range? Mr. Isa Idris, have you watched Asian Section Range? I need one more response. Quick, 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 quick. I'm not sure I know that video. I sent it to the group now. I don't understand. No, I sent it again. I sent it again yesterday. Oh no. You guys should pay attention to what I sent to the group. Oh. Everything I sent to that group is for us to go through. I'll send it again. I'll send it right now. I sent it yesterday again to the group. I sent it yesterday. I sent it 2 days ago. I will send it again now. I'll send it again now. Okay, so I just sent it again. I want to make sure this is clear because you won't understand what I'm saying if you're not if you don't okay. Please watch it. Watch it. It's not there for fun. It's there for us to apply. Because that's what we do every single day on the chat. Right? So back to my chat. So if you notice on the Asian range, if you understand how Asian range works, for us to have a sell day, we need liquidity, right? That means the buy side will be taken up as liquidity. You can see that you can see what happened here. When we have Asian range high, this is a liquidity. It's as if we want to start buying, but no, we are not buying. So buyers will enter once they see this candlestick. Boom! What will happen? They'll start buying. They'll not put their stop loss below. But see, it now came down to take out the stop loss. So at every Asian low, there is liquidity. All right. Watch that video, very important. So at every Asian high, liquidity, Asian low, liquidity. For us to have a sell day, Asian high will be taken for liquidity into area of supply at the left. All right. Then we sell. So now, after getting Asian range, look at what Fibonacci now tells us. Fibonacci, lower high, lower low. What will I do? I will map out my Fibonacci retracement from high to low. Okay. Now look at the confluence now. You can see how perfectly it entered into 71, 79. It even got into 88.6. Let me adjust this to extreme. You can see it got into the 88.6 retracement level. That's the extreme premium zone. Then it started selling. So it means that I am confident that whenever I see Asian range forming and I'm on a sell direction, I watch out for Asian eye to be taken into supply at the left and I sell. Do we get this analysis now? And we see that it sold and sold and sold and sold even into the next day. Our take profit levels. Yesterday, I told us that if you are selling from from your retracement, our TP is what? Our TP is what? If you are selling from a retracement, our TP is 0%, TP1. Our TP2 is what? 27 and what? The last one is what? 61.8. And all the TPs were hit. All the TPs were hit from Wednesday into Thursday. So Thursday is just the extension of what happened on Wednesday. All right. Thursday sell is just the extension of what started doing what Wednesday. So now you know that Asian range and Fibonacci serves as location. Okay. So you can choose to say, I want to start backtesting now. Every Asian range, Asian section, okay, my location, coupled with what Fibonacci retracement. I'm giving you a strategy now for location. So these two now serve as your location, and it's fine. You don't need to know more than these two. Okay, I've never added previous day candle. Let me now add previous day candle to this chart and see how I now. Let me now add previous day candle. So this is what Wednesday. Now, what happened on Tuesday? I go to my daily candle. So let me take off all this. So please write down in your notes now location, Asian section, and what Fibonacci retracement. Very important. Now let's go to Tuesday and see how the daily candle on Tuesday formed. So we're now going to map it for Wednesday. So on Tuesday, how did the candle form? The candle closed what? Bearish. Look at it. This is Tuesday. Tuesday we closed bearish. So I will mark my what? My low and close. Okay, low and close. Then I'll come to my 15 minutes to adjust my location. I'll come to 15 minutes to what? to adjust my location. Okay, this is it. I adjust my location to the start of New York and extend to the end of the day. Good. Now, this is why I said today I'm going to be marking both my low and close and high and close. Because I've noticed that when I do just my low and close for bearish, in this case now, I'll be induced to buy because what I'm seeing here is a buy opportunity because price came to my demand here and I start buying. That was what make me start buying on this Wednesday. So when I started buying, right, it now came and start selling again. So because I just marked my low and close, I'll explain this in the mentorship class for those that will be in the mentorship. I'm just giving you a brief. So now and I said, okay, I will now improve and also mark my high and close so that I will know the range of the day in case it wants to induce the buyers and go and sell. So my daily candle again, I go back to my daily. On Tuesday, I'm going to mark the high and the close also, not just low and close. Okay, and let's see how that will play out. Let me delete this one. Okay, so I'm going to mark my this is Tuesday. I'm also going to mark my high and close for Tuesday, right? And I'll extend to okay, you can't extend yet. So this high and open, sorry, not high and close, high and open for bearish, high and open, all right, high and open for bearish. So on 15 minutes, let's see 15 minutes. So we see that price didn't even come close to the previous day high and open. Price didn't come close to previous day high and open. All right, it didn't come close to it. So it respected the Fibonacci. So price didn't even come closer. It didn't come closer to high and open, right? So what it used was the recent break of structure, which is this, the lower high, lower low, all right, then came back into 71, 79% and sold. So this particular day, this candle might confuse you for the previous day. All right, this previous day candle might confuse you, but the one that is very, very much valid is the Asian range and Fibonacci. And you won't be confused. Do you understand? So let me take off the previous day. So Asian range and what Fibonacci is much more clearer on this day, extending to next day. Is that clear? Is that clear? Is that clear? Is that clear? I have watched but don't understand. Yeah, it's fine. Just watch it. Okay, I don't even expect you to understand at the first watch. All right. Now, what brings understanding is repeated knowledge. Repeated information and knowledge is what bets understanding, true understanding. So I don't expect to understand it once. Once you learn something once, the average man is not expected to understand. But once you have watched it two, three times, you are expected to understand. So that first time you watch it, it's just like a awareness. Second time, you're like, okay, this thing. So when you now watch it second time and I explain to you, you will get it. Do you understand? Just like if you're in class now, I'm teaching you, I don't expect to understand in the class. I don't expect you to understand. If you understand it, good. All right. So after the class, you go back to watch the videos, the classes. It is then understanding comes. So understanding comes by repeating the knowledge or the information, right? Knowledge is information, understanding is comprehension, wisdom is application. So before you can apply what you know, you must understand. And before you can understand, you must repeat the knowledge. Do you get the connection now? All right. So understanding comes from repeating. So let's come into what we have for today. Now we are 7 o'clock is already hits, right? We mark our what Asian high and Asian low for our for our location. All right, Asian high, Asian low for location, location. Okay, location. Now, what is now the direction? Right, previous day. Question: what is the direction of the previous day? Lower high, lower low. We are still bearish. This is not hard. It's very clear. What is the direction from the previous day? Lower high and what? Lower low. Can you see I am connecting the dots now, guys? It's very simple. Okay, it's very clear that this is lower high and lower low. So what do we expect today? For the bearish to stand, we expect what? This is Fibonacci from lower high to what? Lower low. And what do we expect? Retracement into all these levels and what? Sell down. That's if the bearish structure will still stand. We are not the markets. So there's one rule of trading is that we don't need to know what will happen next to make money. We don't need to know what will happen next. We are not trying to predict. We are just simply interpreting price action. So according to this market structure, we have lower high, lower low. So for the sell to stand, we want to see Asian high, just like what happened on Wednesday, taking into this premium and sell. This is what the typical sell will do for us. Do you understand now? It's as simple as that. Because the trend is still bearish. Now, the moment it now takes out the lower high, okay, is now giving us a sign of a change of trend, market structure shift. Once that happens, wait for a retracement and continue the buy. Okay, so because we are only doing two things, we're either buying or selling. All right, we're either buying or selling. So for us to sell, I've given us how to sell. How to sell. Wait for Asian high to be taken into area value of supply, premium, and resale. If you are going to buy, wait for the lower high to be taken out for a change of trend, retracement, and buy. As simple as that. So yeah. So yeah. Is that clear? So I need to get set for the site inspection. Right, I need to get set for the site inspection. I won't take much of our time. So I have done. So let me know if it's clear. Right, that's what we have for today. Announcements. So good news. The workshop has been booked for next week. All right. So we are going to be meeting physically next week Wednesday at the office. So we have booked Wednesday already. Booked, secured, 11 to 2. All right. So by God's grace, the goal is we have this run for the next 3 months. Physical workshop. So bring your friends, bring everyone. I want us to fill that room. It's about 30 seaters. Right? This is free. I'm giving you to be sincere, I'm giving you a standard world class. If you know that what you're getting from me here is standard, is world class, is quality. Comment. If you know what I'm getting from here is standard, is quality, is world class, right? Is rich. I want to see the comments. I want to know if I am actually, and this is for free. I've not started. I've not charged you yet, and this is free. If you believe what you are getting here is value, is rich. I mean rich. When I say rich, without no, is rich. You believe is rich. Yes. So I need us to feel, for those that I wish, for those that are working well. Thank you, Mr. Albert. I need us to feel that if you can, those that are working, I don't know how you guys will do it, but I want that one to be filled. Okay. I'm bringing a classroom vibe. So, and the goal is, I've said it before, I'm building an institute where we have forex department, stocks department, crypto department, like every financial market assets will have their departments. So that's the kind of school I'm building, institute I'm building, where we are applying what we are learning in school to make money. I read accounting, and after 4 5 years, I could not apply. Even my colleagues that have read accounting, they went to do ICANN. They went to further and do professional. What they taught them in class was not applicable in the real world. Nada. Nada. What you have been taught in class is nada applicable in the real world. So I want to change that narrative. From the class, you start learning how to make revenue from the class. You don't have to even finish your your class curriculum before you can start making. So announcements next week Wednesday we have class. Next week Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 8 to 9 we have the online boot camp, right? And the mentorship is still on for those that want to take advantage of the mentorship. The mentorship will close. Let me see. Will close. Okay, I'm still gonna give this week into next week for those that want to take advantage. We still have 1 week, okay, for the mentorship. I just need 10 people. I think I have three slots already filled. I need 7 more persons for the mentorship. Once we are 10, I will close. I don't need much. So let me take questions. Questions before I call the wrap. Do I have any more announcement to share? Um okay, I think for now, no announcements. So question, let me just share something very important. Okay. Let me just give you a bonus. So please, you can screenshot this. You can write this in your notes. Very important. Let me give you this bonus. I just remembered now. It's what I've said already before. It's not new, but I want to make it much more clearer to you. I want to make it much more clearer to you. This is the power of repetition. The more you repeat this thing, the more it stores and ingrains in your subconscious. You want to wake up from sleep and just start analyzing markets. That's the beauty. They wake you up from sleep and start saying, "Oh, this I low, I." That's the okay. I low. Okay. Let me do the same for downtrend. I'm going somewhere, guys. I low, lower I, lower I, and what? Lower low. This is direction, right? Zero, one, two, three. I must see this on my charts before I take location, right? Now let me come to my charts and just do it simultaneously. You see it everywhere. You see it everywhere. So here now we have the lower I, lower low. What do we expect? Retracement and we sell. Okay, so you will see it everywhere. Let me come back. Now, see what I'm trying to establish now. For an uptrend, we know that this is a break of structure, right? I've explained that already. Break of structure. Clear, right? Now, what this now means is that from the this high to this higher low is what is the range, is the box, which means everything inside here is internal until it's broken out. That's where I'm coming to. I'll repeat myself. I have my low, my high, my higher low. So I has broken out of structure. So from this my high to my high low, everything inside is what internal structure until it is broken out. Then I wait for my retracement. That's where I'm coming to. Same thing here too for my downtrend. I have my high, my low, my lower high, my lower low. From this my low to lower high, everything inside is internal trend until a break of structure, right? Everything inside is internal structure until a break of structure. I don't know how you can write that out in your note, or I don't know, but I hope you get the picture. That once I am in an uptrend, look at an example here now. Perfect example. Okay, perfect example here. I had my lower high and my lower low. She lower high and what? Lower low. Lower high and lower low. So it means everything from where? Let me go back to my lower high, lower low again. Everything from the low to lower high is what? Internal structure until a break of structure. So that means as price is retracing to buy, all these place like this from here to where to this place is what? Internal structure. That is the range. Everything inside the lower high, lower low is internal structure until what? Until a break of structure, right? So if you miss the first cell, which is inside the retracement, okay, if you miss this first retracement, just wait for a break of structure. You see now, if you miss the first cell, just wait for what? A break. Once it has broken out of this box, you can see that it broke out, it came back. Just wait for a break of structure, a retracement, and a confirmation to start selling. But during this place, we have closed for the section, so you will not just extend your box. Look at it. You can see that when it retraces back to what? The resistance, and it sold. So that means support became resistance. Look at it carefully. When it broke out of this box, it came back, broke out, was ranging. The next day, it came back what? And sold. So this place now has become resistance because that's broken out of the box. So every time you see a break of structure, just draw the box so that that place can now be a potential resistance to take. Did I confuse you, or it became more clearer? Did I confuse you, or it became more clearer? Let me know. Yeah, thank you. Standard value. Yeah, it's rich. Value, value, value. Thank you. Thank you. This is just a tip. The mentorship is going to be explosive. Like, it's going to be explosive. So if you're not in the mentorship, please find your way inside though. It became clearer. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. My job description is to simplify forex, to make forex simple, easy. So everything I do, Joe makes things simple. Joe makes things easy. Joe makes things fun. Don't mind me. I'm very good at mixing words. I know I have that grace, so I can pick a word, economize it, and make a meaning out of it. Is what I'm good at. So I always want to make things simple, easy, and fun. That's my life. You come to me, you'll be yeah. So that's by the way. Any more questions, guys? Any more questions? Any more questions? Just imagine at the end of 30 days. We are just how many days now? We are just 4 days now. You can see why my student made 10K dollars. In fact, it was too busy at work, so he couldn't even do it like daily. So it took him 7 months because he was not consistent. Imagine you guys now, just for 4 days, you're already getting clearer, right? Abraham is a new Abraham is a newbie, right? Mr. Albert, I think you're also new. Mr. Isa is not really new, but the newbies in just 4 days. Imagine you now do 1 month, 2 months, 3 months with me. So when the guy made the money, I was not really shocked, but I was also shocked because that money was too much. Like, but of course, what do you expect? Do you understand? So please, let's not drop the ball. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it consistent. Right? The numbers is not encouraging yet, but of course, I'll keep on doing what I'm doing. Like we have just four people on the call, but it's fine. Let's keep showing up. Let's keep showing up. It choke, it choke, it choke, it choke. It choke. Mr. Emmanuel is not on the call. Mr. Eben, what about Mr. Emmanuel? I've not been seeing him on the call for. Hope he's watching the replays. Right. So I have just few more minutes to go. Any question, guys? Any question? Let me take questions and call it a day. Any question? Let me see. Yeah. So we are set for Euro USD. Okay. We are set for Euro USD. Let me see what this equilibrium is saying. Okay, we already passed equilibrium already. This is equilibrium. We already passed equilibrium already. Equilibrium is the middle of the range. So we already above equilibrium. So anytime from now, you can see a sell. We just need to see drop. Okay. And sometimes Asian eye might not be taken. You need to be very, very flexible with how we use Asian range. Okay, Asian eye might not necessarily be taken into value of supply. Why? Because we are already in our location from Fibonacci. Do you understand? We are already in a premium zone for a sell. Okay, we have tapped into. Okay, yeah, we have tapped into during the night into 71 and 79 during the night. Okay, we now came back. So we are already in the premium zone for a sell. Do you understand? So let me mark out all this as a sell from here. So we are already inside the premium zone for a sell. We just need to wait for London to open and see a confirmation. Okay, good. So you can see now that price has already tapped into the Fibonacci. All right, already. So you can even use set a sell stop order. That's what it's called sell stop. You're putting a pending order below current market price. That means you know that price will drop, right? So you set a pending order below the price. So that means price is currently at 1.10322. You now set your order at 1.0239 below. So that as price is dropping, it just takes you and continues selling. But that's aggressive, actually. It's aggressive. But because you don't want to miss out from the trade and you know that it's going to be a sell, you just set a what? A pending order, a sell stop. You can do that too, a sell stop. Why sell limit is saying that you are setting a pending order above current market. That means you believe that price will first go up, then drop. In that case, you are setting a what? A sell limit, right? So that's how to set pending orders. Okay, so if sell limits, well, I feel sell limit should work because okay, this is structure. So I feel so. Where is our sell limit? Our sell limit can be somewhere here, the middle of the line. Okay, sell limit. You target 1 to 3 for for this first move, right? So you can set pending orders, sell limits now. right? You can set sell limit now. Then our TP2 is going to be our extension level. Let me draw out my Fibonacci again. So remember TP1 is what? 0.00, right? TP 27%, right? Why TP3 is what? 61.8. Okay? Yeah. So that's what we have for Euro USD. Regardless of the news that is coming out safe, no matter what the NFP is going to say, once your market structure is right. So for this structure, unless if this comes to now take out this liquidity, for this structure, this is what we have. Okay, until further notice. So I'll send this to the group now. So until further notice, that is our structure. Until further notice, that is our structure. Does anyone have a similar or a counter experience with that in the house? Similar. Okay, so do you mean to take part in this into place three different orders? Okay, do you mean to take part in this three take profit into place? Yes, you place three different positions. One, two. So first of all, you need to know that if you have a lot size of 0.1, for example, it means you divide it by three. You will not put 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. No. You are risking 3%. If you want to risk 3%, divide by three. If you want to risk 1%, divide by. So whatever you are risking as percentage or lot size, you divide it by three. So that's the reason behind it. So unless if you are doing 0.01 ahead, now do it in three places, but you can't divide 0.01 by three. All right. So the question first is, what is your risk and your lot size? Once you have gotten that, you now divide by three. You are placing the orders in different places. Your stop loss is the same. Your TP is different. TP is take profits. Your stop loss is the same. Your risk is the same. Your take profits is different. All right. Do you understand that now? So if I'm risking 3% now, it will be 1%, 1%, 1%. Yeah. It's already 8 o'clock. So let me see if I can put my first order. Let's see. Let me put my pending orders first. Let me put my pending orders on Euro USD. Okay. So first pending order sell limits is at uh let me edit this. So these are the coordinates. Entry price for sell limits 1.0411. Stop loss is 10 pips. Stop loss is 10 pips. So stop loss is 1.10511. That's 10 pips. My take profit is 30 pips. That's 1 to 3, which is very, very okay. Take profit is 30 pips. That's 1.10085. All right. That's my first pending order. So mind you, if you are selling instantly now, that means your stop has to be above the lower high. So you not be liquidated. If you are selling now, if you want to enter the market to sell now, you have to wait. That means you have to wait for what? A a breakout of this trend line. So that's a sell stop. Okay. You want to wait for this trend line for it to be drops like this. Pam. All right. So let me send that to the group. I need to go already. Okay, yeah, good. So let's create the wrap for today. We'll communicate on the group. All right. So thank you so much. I appreciate you. Take care.